They are the able-bodied men who were neither on essential duties nor exempted from the extended lockdown order by the Delta State government aimed at curtailing the ravaging COVID-19 pandemic, but decided to damn the consequences for whatever reasons best known to them and hit the road, some to Kano, Abuja, and even beyond.
You go, you know the work, because like that, go my police. Help me, go my police. Kobar mota nanda Allah tawuchi.
French city, because now I know the work anything. Are they hungry? I know they get a chance why I go find money where I use it. I want make I have this motor make carry me go drove for Kano. If I drove for Kano, I go find the people who go help us go Jigawa City.
I know English, English,
The Corps Commander, Ame Ocheja, who reiterated the commitment of the Federal Road Safety Corps towards sustaining the existing collaborations with the federal and state governments in the fight against the ravaging coronavirus, adding that the vehicles would be impounded and the occupants handed over to the police for prosecutions in the court of law for contravening the presidential and executive order of the Delta State governor on restrictions, social distancing, and stay at home.
And you are aware that there is a security subcommittee that is to ensure the implementation of the lockdown order by His Excellency the Governor of Delta State. So we've been doing that for a very long time, and we are still on. So you can see at the background over 100 of the youth passengers in the vehicle that we just impounded, and we are trying to hand them over to the mobile court, which has been working with us since we started this enforcement. So from the little information that we have gathered so far, we've been told that they are from Abraka here, that is the other side of the town, and that they are heading to Abuja, which is purely against the restriction order.
He advised essential workers to always comply with the social distance directive in vehicles, as the virus does not discriminate nor spare anybody, irrespective of class or profession.
It's lawlessness. You see, this advice is in their own interest. The stay at order, the lockdown order by His Excellency is in their own interest. Whatever that is their problem now, let them stay at home. Let them stay where they are. So that at the end of this lockdown, they will do an assessment of the situation in Delta State, and of course, it is going to be lifted. The lockdown will be lifted. So let them be patient. My advice to them is to be patient, and particularly even motorists. For instance, the owner of that vehicle, who made it available for them to all come and commute, is also going to be taken to the court.
Meanwhile, a total of 399 have so far been convicted in Delta State since mobile courts to try defaulters of the lockdown were inaugurated by the State Chief Judge on the 7th of April. The latest conviction of 86 offenders were arrested by the police in Ozoro, Abe, Otowe, Kwale, and Ole communities for contravening the Delta State Infectious Disease Emergency Prevention Regulations 2020. The offense is punishable under Section 5 of the Quarantine Act laws of the Federation of Nigeria 1990, punishable under Section 203 of the Criminal Code Law, Cap C21, Laws of Delta State of Nigeria 2006. Mr. Humphrey Ogogome, Principal State Counsel, Ministry of Justice, Ozoro Zone, told the court that the suspects were found walking about and traveling without a pass and were not engaging in essential services that fell under the exemption list, thereby flouting the stay-at-home order of the state governor. Gospel Amalia Mefobo, reporting for Lip TV News.